My name is Brittney Cox, and I am one of the bath designers. I love design because I love floor plans. I've always had a passion for rearranging furniture when I was younger in my bedroom. I love putting beautiful spaces together and making it come to life and changing it from start to finish. I like to also redo old furniture, and that's a big passion of mine. The good thing about design challenges is we have design challenges every day with different clientele, different spaces, but it's all about how you can overcome those obstacles and make them work and function for that particular client. We want to design those spaces to where you love them again, to function for you and your family.